Hello and welcome to the channel. This is the Sister Cousins Lifestyle channel. Come on in. In today's video, I will be sharing how I decorated my home for Christmas 2025. So we're starting off here in my entryway. I have a very small entryway in my home and I like to decorate it very simply and modern, but very festive. Now this next spot in my home will be my dining room table, which I did very simply. I did not do a full tablescape this year like I normally do. I just kind of did a centerpiece and I decorated my bar cart. Let's take a look.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes. And I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
Well, welcome to my living room where I'm going to be showing you how I decorated my main Christmas tree for the year and how I've decorated my living room. Come on in. All right, the next space that we're going to be going into is the primary suite, and I'm really excited to show you that. So let's go right on in. my mic died, but what I was saying here is that we've made it up to my loft area, and this is my fun space. This is where I've decorated my vintage tree, my nostalgic tree that has all of my ornaments from dating back some years. It's like my family tree, whatever you want to call it. My grandkids' tree is everybody's tree. But now I'm going to show you my main tree that I decorated up in this space. I also added that backdrop, which I am really loving because it just brought the magicalness of Christmas. Christmases past, I should say, Christmases as a child. This was really, really reminiscent for me, and I'm really loving it. And I'm also sharing that I purchased it on Amazon. If anybody is interested in it, I will link it in my Amazon store in the link below. So let's go ahead and move over now to my main Christmas tree in this space. I hope you enjoy. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed today's home tour. And if you did, please don't leave today without giving me a thumbs up. Also, if you're not currently subscribed to this channel and we're just meeting for the first time, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Over here, I do all things home decor. I share how I decorate my home for the seasons. And I share home projects, I share DIYs, I share shop with me videos, anything for the home pretty much I share over here on the channel. So if that's something that you enjoy, please don't leave without hitting that thumbs up button so that way we can stay connected. And to all my returning family members, thank you so much for your continued support. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I would like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. And I hope to see you over here on the next one. Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting
putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something